When you open a deal in LienSuite, the first thing to check is the score breakdown. Let me show you how to read it. Every property gets a letter grade from A to F. A-rated deals have the strongest combination of distress signals, equity potential, and reachability. This is your quick filter. If it's a C or below, you need a good reason to keep going. The score is made up of 4 components. Distress measures how motivated the seller might be. Tax delinquency, code violations, vacancy signals. Deal quality looks at the equity spread and property type. Reachability tells you how easy it'll be to find and contact the owner. And velocity shows how fast similar deals have moved in this area. Each component has a bar showing its contribution to the total score. Look for properties where distress and deal quality are both high. That's your sweet spot, a motivated seller with real equity to work with. The score breakdown tells you at a glance whether a deal deserves your time. Next, let's look at the signal tags to understand what's really going on with this property.